Sarah, let's jump together.
That's so cute.
Sarah, let's jump together.
Anong lugar ba to?
Ha?
Anong lugar to?
Glencaron ng street. Glencaron, Bethlehem.
Lijen, careful.
Can you start in the beginning? I think that's already on.
Oh no, we have to add.
You can add. Okay, not yet, not yet. So I'm gonna go straight, take a video, and then when you jump in, I'll put it down like that.
Stop the topic.
Legend, are you gonna be okay? Is Legend
Legend.
okay? So I'll start here really quick.
Don't disturb
I need to
Lijen.
coach you guys.
Out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I hope I did it. How you play the video.
What you doing?
Oh my god. Ma! Ma!
Okay, let's go. Go from the beginning. As in, nag-aano pala sila. Nagtawag dito. Kaya tumigil muna ako ng trabaho.
Mascara.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see on your phone? It looks like eyeshadow. Ma!
Lijen.
I'm stuck.
Wait, Hannah didn't do it.
Mommy, look. Yeah? Mommy, video me. Mommy, video me.
For a while, love, ha?
Mommy.
Ate first,
I'm
ate first.
floating.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh. That's not.
Ma, I need to show you something.
Okay.
Wait. Go.
Wait, what? How do you swim down?
Yeah, I'll do the video now. Okay, go. More. Keep going. Keep going, Hannah. Keep going, Hannah. Keep going. Whoa. Turn.
Again.
Oh, wow. Keep going. Okay, over here. Woo! Ate Sarah's under.
Kasama niya yung papa ko. Manunukot siya. Kasi naaalala niya yung mga papa niya kasama niya. Sabi niya,
Keep going, Ate. That's good exercise. Come
siya
on.
lang mag-isa. Kasi katabi naman niya sa bahay yung kapatid ko. Lalaki.
Yes. Oh. No jumping, I told you.